Hey guys, today at Air Support, we're replacing all this flex in this crawl. This customer had a water get in his main trunk, basically ruin all his flex. Something to notice when you have your contractors come in and talk about replacing flex, one, the R value. We try to use R8 only value, which is basically it's a little thicker insulation. Actual leads themselves, kind of the benefit with that is as air comes off that coil, it comes off at a certain temperature, whether it's heat or cool. This helps keep that temperature to remain constant as opposed to lose that temperature when it comes out the vents. Another thing we do, we Panduit strap everything, bring a couple extra layers up. We use a Panduit gun, which is basically like a fancy tool that pulls the zips tight. And lastly, we use a product called Sure Tape. There's plenty of tapes out there on the market. The reason we use this one is it's got the, where's it at? The FX rating on it, which means it's rated for flex. Kind of what we do is basically we'll pull it off. We'll run it all the way around the flex. Get a different piece here. As you can see, I'm very, very comfortable here in this lovely crawl space. And basically we'll just start putting it all the way around, making sure it's good and sealed. Then when this is completed, we'll actually pull the insulation and the silver lining all the way up around the boot completely. I know there's insulation between the joists, but we'll pull it all the way up completely. Zip tie it to basically keep anything from sweating and keep everything good and tight. Again, that's Air Support, 502-209-8311.